Hi, welcome to Jurisage Academy's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the very good private colleges in India which offers a very good LLM course, and there is very little information available about its admission process. So आज के वीडियो में we will be talking about Symbiosis Law School and its LLM admission process. We'll talk about the syllabus, the types of questions that are asked, the subjective portion, as well as details about the personal interview. So let's start with Symbiosis Law School LLM entrance exam. So as you know that Symbiosis offers one of the very good LLM courses in India so far as private colleges is concerned. And there is very less information available with respect to what is asked in this entrance exam. So if you take a look at the website also, they do give you some information with respect to the pattern and the syllabus for this exam, but largely not much is known about it. So, for those of you who do not know, Symbiosis Law School takes its LLM admissions from two different stages of exam. The first stage is AIAT, that is All India Admission Test. It is an online home proctored test, so you don't have to go anywhere. You do give this exam from your home only at your laptop or your PC. So AIAT is that online home proctored exam. And if you qualify AIAT, then you will be invited for an online personal interaction, that is PI. So if you cleared the PI as well, then you will be securing an admission at SLS in any of its branches in their LLM course. Now, coming to the AIAT, which is the exam that you will have to write if you have to appear for SLS LLM courses. So, the exam stays same for all branches, be it Pune, Nagpur, or Hyderabad. So, the AIAT is of a 70-mark exam. It has two portions. First is the objective part, and the other one is the subjective part. So in objective part, they will ask you 20 MCQ questions of 2 marks each. So in total, the objective part will carry a 40-mark weightage. Now coming to the subjective portion, you will be given 3 subjective questions, out of which you'll have to answer any 2. And these 2 subjective questions carry 15 mark each. So in total, they will be amounting to 30 marks total. So you can see the division that the objective part is a 40 mark weightage, and the subjective portion carries a 30 mark weightage, which totals to 70 marks. Now, it is also important to understand that there is no negative marking in this AIAT, which makes it a little easier, of course, because if you are appearing, then you will intend to write or you'll intend to finish all the questions irrespective of whether you know them or not. Now, AIAT is of a 105-minute duration exam in which 65 minutes are allotted to the subjective portion. So within this time, you'll have to finish the subjective portion. And in the remaining 40 minutes, you are expected to finish the objective portion. So you can see that there is ample time available to finish this online home proctor test, which makes it a very doable exam if you are clear on your basics. Now, this information is not available on their website, but we have collected this from students who have appeared in SLS and who have qualified this exam and pursued their LLM from Symbiosis College. Now, coming to the next stage, if you qualify AIAT exam, then they will be releasing a list of successful candidates who are invited for an online personal interaction. So the best part about the whole process is that it is conducted entirely from your own setup, so you don't have to travel anywhere to either take the AIAT or the personal interview. The personal interview carries a 30-mark weightage. Before you appear for the PI, you also have to submit a statement of purpose. So the details with respect to the SOP are also available on the website. But essentially, you have to write about your academic qualifications, what have you done, and why are you a suitable candidate for SLS LLM course. So it will amount to around 250 words. So you'll have to submit this before the PI. Now in the PI, they will be asking you questions based on your background, your CV, your SOP, your legal knowledge, as well as your personal profile. So the PI is relatively easier. It is not a very grilling interview. But of course, yes, you have to be clear on your basics and what you have done in your law school or even after that. Now, coming to the syllabus for AIAT, on the website, you will find that they have given this list already, but they've also included subjects like research methodology and teaching aptitude, which confuses many students as to whether this portion is asked in the entrance test or not. Now, based on the feedback that we have received from students who have cleared this exam, they actually do not ask questions on teaching methodology or research aptitude. So the syllabus includes basic law subjects like constitutional law, public international law, jurisprudence, IPC, human rights, corporate law, which includes company law as well as contract law, family law, and environmental law. So these are some of the prominent subjects that they ask in the entrance test, and they might also ask you questions in your personal interaction on the knowledge of these subjects. And so far as subjective portion is concerned, subjective portion also includes questions from prominent areas of these subjects itself. So this brings us to the end of our video on Symbiosis LLM entrance exam. If you liked the content, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.